Hi friends, welcome to Call for Trick. Subscribe to watch 200 plus GK tricks for free. Part 1. Trick to remember airports in Uttarakhand. Its short form is UK. Airport and its related new word. First one, Jolly Grant Airport. It is in Uttarakhand. I repeat, Jolly Grant Airport. It is in Uttarakhand. But how to remember this? Let us see the trick. See friends, try to remember Jolly Grant as it is. Jolly Grant. I repeat, try to remember Jolly Grant as Jolly Grant. And it is in Uttarakhand. Try to remember Uttarakhand as UK. UK is nothing but Uttarakhand. It is the short form of Uttarakhand. Now we have got two new words, Jolly Grant and UK. Now I am going to frame this into a sentence. Let us see the sentence. Here the sentence, Jolly, UK and Grant. Now I am going to frame this into a sentence. A boy feeling jolly because his UK visa granted. I repeat, a boy feeling jolly because his UK visa granted. I repeat once again, a boy feeling jolly because his UK visa granted. Here UK stands for Uttarakhand and Jolly Grant stands for Jolly Grant Airport. It is in Uttarakhand. So friends, try to remember this sentence so that you can easily remember Jolly Grant Airport. It is in Uttarakhand. Try to remember these three words, Jolly, UK and Grant. UK stands for Uttarakhand. Here you can see the image of boy feeling jolly because his UK visa granted. UK means Uttarakhand. Friends, follow tricks on Facebook, www.facebook.com/2 trick to remember important airports in Gujarat. Airport and its related new word. First one, Rajkot Airport. I repeat, Rajkot Airport. Second one, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Airport. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Airport. Third one, Vadodara Airport. So total 3 airports in Gujarat, Rajkot, Sardar Vallabhbhai and Vadodara. But how to remember these 3 airports and state Gujarat? Let us see the trick here. Friends, if you observe the first airport, Rajkot, the first 3 letters of Rajkot is R-A-J. Its pronunciation is Raj. So try to remember Rajkot as Raj. Rajkot as Raj. Here Raj stands for Rajkot Airport. Coming to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Airport, friends, by using the first 2 letters of Sardar and the first 2 letters of Vallabha, this is S-A-V-A. By using these 4 letters, I made a word Savage. By using these 4 letters, I made a word Savage. So try to remember Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium as Savage. Try to remember Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium as Savage. Here Savage means Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium. Coming to the state Gujarat, the last 3 letters of Gujarat is R-A-T. Its pronunciation is Rat. So try to remember Gujarat as Rat. Coming to the third airport, Vadodara, try to remember Vadodara as Vada. Vadodara as Vada. You can see all 4 letters which are in Vada in Vadodara. Try to remember Vadodara as Vada. Now I am going to frame all these 4 words into a beautiful sentence. Let us see the sentence here. A boy Raju savaged a rat while eating vada. Here savage means attack, cruel attack. I repeat, a boy Raju attacked a rat while eating vada. I repeat, a boy named Raju savaged a rat while eating vada. Here Raj stands for Rajkot Airport. Savage stands for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Airport. Rat stands for Gujarat. Vada stands for Vadodara Airport. So friends, try to remember this sentence or these 4 words so that you can easily remember all 3 airports which are in Gujarat. Friends, let us assume while you are eating a vada, a rat comes near to you. What you will do? Will you give your vada to it or will you attack like Raj? Comment your answer. Friends, if you are not interested in comment, at least assume this situation because it may help in remembering this trick easily and lifelong. Please friends, try to assume yourself this situation. Will you give it vada to it or attack like Raju? Subscribe soon. Part 3. Trick to remember airports in Bangalore. I repeat, trick to remember airports in Bangalore. Airport and its related new word. The name of the airport is Kemp Gowda. I repeat, the name of the airport is Kemp Gowda. It is in Bangalore. So friends, this question asked in recent RRB exam. Sorry friends, this question asked in recent SBI clerk exam. So please be concentrate. The name of the airport is Kemp Gowda. It is in Bangalore. Friends, if you observe the word Kemp Gowda, the capital letters MPGODDA, its pronunciation is MP Gowda. Its pronunciation is MP Gowda. Friends, do you know we have the central minister with the same name? His name is Sadananda Goud. His name is Sadananda Goud. If you observe the word Sadananda Goud, you can see a word Goud. It is similar to Gowda. It is similar to Gowda. So friends, try to remember the central minister name so that you can easily remember MP Gowda. And he is from Bangalore constituency. Friends, try to remember Sadananda Goud and his constituency Bangalore. So indirectly you can remember two questions. One is the central minister name and his constituency. The other is the name of the airport, Kemp Gowda. It is in Bangalore. So friends, try to remember MP Sadananda Goud, his constituency Bangalore. Here MP Sadananda Goud stands for Kemp Gowda Airport and his constituency Bangalore stands for the place where Kemp Gowda Airport is there. Friends, try to remember Sadananda Goud so that you can easily remember Kemp Gowda. It is in Bangalore. Friends, try to remember the central minister name Sadananda Goud. He is from Bangalore constituency. Subscribe to watch upcoming 200. Part 4. Trick to remember airports in West Bengal. I repeat, trick to remember airports in West Bengal. WB is the short form of West Bengal. Stadium and its related new word. Today we are going to see the airports in West Bengal. Its short form is WB. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. I repeat, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. Coming to the second airport, it is Bagdogra Airport. The airport name is Bagdogra Airport. There are totally two airports in West Bengal. First one is Netaji, second one is Bagdogra Airport. But how to remember these two airports and West Bengal? Let us see the trick. Friends, if you observe the word West Bengal, its short form is WB. Let us assume a word using these two letters WB. Let us assume a word wife brother. Try to remember WB as wife brother. Let us see what it is in the story. Try to assume WB as wife brother. Coming to the second one, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Friends, try to remember a word Netaji. You can easily remember this because he is a great freedom fighter. So try to remember word Netaji in Subhash Chandra Bose. Coming to the third one, Bagdogra Airport. See friends, if you observe this word, there are two letters which you well known, B-A-G. Its pronunciation is bag. Coming to the second one, D-O-G, dog. So try to remember Bagdogra Airport as bag dog. Try to remember Bagdogra Airport as bag dog. Now we have got total three new words, wife brothers, Netaji and bag dog. Now I am going to frame these three words into a story. Let us see the story. My wife brother Netaji bought a bag for dog. I repeat, my wife brother Netaji bought a carry bag for dog. I repeat, my wife brother Netaji bought a carry bag for dog. I repeat, my wife brother Netaji bought a carry bag for dog. Here wife brother stands for West Bengal, Netaji stands for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, bag dog stands for Bagdogra Airport. Friends, here you can see the bag which is bought by Netaji. Here Netaji stands for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport, wife brother stands for West Bengal, bag dog stands for Bagdogra Airport. So friends, try to remember this story. You can easily remember airports. Part 5. Trick to remember airports in Kerala. Airport and its new word. First one is Cochin. First one is Cochin Airport. Second one is Kozhikode. Second one is Kozhikode. These are the two airports which are in Kerala. I repeat, Cochin Airport and Kozhikode are the two airports which are in Kerala. But how to remember these two airport names and state Kerala? Let us see the trick. Friends, if you observe the airport Cochin, the first four letters C-O-C-H, its pronunciation is similar to coach. So try to remember Cochin Airport as coach. Cochin Airport as coach. Here coach stands for Cochin Airport. Coming to the second word, Kozhikode. Friends, if you observe this word, the first 6 letters Kozhik, its pronunciation is similar to logic. Kozik, logic. Kozik, logic. So friends, try to remember Kozhikode Airport as logic. Coming to the Kerala state, friends, similar to my previous videos, if you observe the first 3 letters in Kerala, K-E-R, its pronunciation is similar to care. So try to remember Kerala as care. In this way, we have got total 3 new words, coach, logic and care. Now I am going to frame this into sentence. Let us see the trick. In every game, coach will tell logic and he will take care of his teammates. I repeat, in every game, coach will tell logic to his teammates and he will take care of them. I repeat, in every game, coach will tell logic to his teammates and he will take care of them. I repeat, in every game, coach will tell logic to his teammates and he will take care of them. So friends, try to remember this sentence. You can easily remember 2 airports which are in Kerala. Coach stands for Cochin Airport, logic stands for Kozhikode Airport, care stands for Kerala. So try to remember these 3 words, coach, logic and care, so that you can easily remember 2 airports which are in Kerala. Let us see some image. Here you can see our new coach Anil Kumble giving logics to Virat Kohli. Try to remember this image so that you can easily remember 2 airports which are in Kerala. Coach stands for Cochin Airport, logic stands for Kozhikode. Subscribe to watch upcoming 200 plus GK tricks. Share to your friends and be helpful. Thank you. All the best. Hi friends, welcome to Call for Trick. Subscribe to watch 300 plus GK tricks for free. Part 6. Trick to remember airports in Madhya Pradesh. MP is the short form of Madhya Pradesh. MP is the short form of Madhya Pradesh. Airport and its related new word. Devi Holkar Airport. I repeat, Devi Holkar Airport. It is the airport in Madhya Pradesh. Second one, Rajbhoj Airport. Third one, Jabalpur Airport. These are the 3 airports which are in Madhya Pradesh. Devi Holkar, Rajbhoj and Jabalpur. But how to remember these 3 names and Madhya Pradesh? Let us see the trick. Friends, in first one, airport, Devi Holkar, try to remember a word Devi. So try to remember a word Devi Holkar in Devi. Try to remember Devi as Devi Holkar. Coming to the second one, Rajbhoj. See friends, try to remember the word Raj in Rajbhoj. Try to remember the word Raj in Rajbhoj. Here MP stands for Madhya Pradesh. At the same time, MP stands for Member of Parliament. Raj means Rajnath. Try to remember it as Rajnath Singh. Coming to the third one, Jabalpur. If you observe this word friends, the first 3 letters JAB stands for job. Try to remember first 3 letters as job. Coming to the last 3 letters, PUR. By using these 3 letters, I made a word purpose. I made a word purpose. Now we have got totally 3 new words, Devi, MP, Raj and job purpose. Now I am going to frame this into a sentence. Let us see. A girl named Devi came to meet MP Rajnath Singh on job purpose. I repeat, a girl named Devi came to meet MP Rajnath Singh on job purpose. Here Devi means Devi Holkar Airport, MP means Madhya Pradesh, Raj means Rajbhoj Airport, job purpose means Jabalpur Airport. So friends, try to remember MP Rajnath Singh so that you can easily remember Madhya Pradesh and Rajbhoj Airport. Here you can see the girl Devi came to meet MP Rajnath Singh on job purpose. So friends, try to remember Central Minister Rajnath Singh. You can easily remember all the airports which are in Madhya Pradesh. Subscribe to watch 300 plus GK tricks. Follow me on Facebook. Thank you. All the best. Hi friends, welcome to Call for Trick. Subscribe to watch 300 useful tricks for free. Part 8. Trick to remember airports in Nagaland. Airport and its related new word. Dimapur Airport, it is in Nagaland. I repeat, Dimapur Airport, it is in Nagaland. I repeat, Dimapur Airport, it is in Nagaland. But how to remember this airport name and state Nagaland? Let us see the trick here. Friends, if you observe the word Dimapur, the first four letters DIM. By using these three letters, I made a word diminished. I made a word diminished. Here diminished means reduced. So try to remember Dimapur as diminished. Dimapur as diminished. Coming to the word Nagaland. See friends, do you know what is Naga? Naga means snake and land means where snakes will live. So try to remember Nagaland as snake land. Now we have got total two new words, diminished and Nagaland. Now I am going to frame this into a sentence. Let us see the sentence here. A land of snakes is totally diminished. Yes, in olden days there used to be lot of snake lands, but today they are totally reduced. A land of Nagaland totally diminished. Here, see friends, here diminished means Dimapur Airport. It is in Nagaland. So friends, try to remember the land of snakes so that you can easily remember Dimapur and its state Nagaland. Subscribe to watch 300 plus GK tricks. Share to your friends and be helpful. Hi friends, welcome to Call for Trick. Subscribe to watch 200 plus static GK tricks for free. Part 9. Trick to remember airports in Jharkhand. I repeat, trick to remember airports in Jharkhand. Airport and its related new word. The name of the airport is Birsa Munda. I repeat, the name of the airport is Birsa Munda. It is in Jharkhand. I repeat, the name of the airport is Birsa Munda. It is in Jharkhand. But how to remember the name of the airport and its state Jharkhand? Let us see the trick. Friends, if you observe the word Birsa Munda, the capital letters BIRS. By using these four letters, I made a word birds. So try to remember Birsa as birds. Birsa as birds. Try to remember Birsa Munda as birds. Coming to the word Jharkhand, friends, you can see HARKHAN. By using these letters, I made a word hurricane. By using these letters, I made a word hurricane. So try to remember Jharkhand as hurricane. So we have got total two new words, birds and hurricane. With these new words, I am going to frame into sentence. Let us see the sentence. Birds can sense impending hurricanes. I repeat, birds can sense impending hurricanes. See friends, here you can see the two words in the sentence. Hurricane is nothing but it's a cyclone. Friends, this is not a trick, it is also a fact. Birds can sense impending hurricanes. Impending means about to occur. Birds can sense impending hurricanes. Here birds for Birsa Munda. Hurricane stands for Jharkhand. So Birsa Munda Airport is in Jharkhand. So try to remember this sentence. You can easily remember Birsa Munda Airport and its state Jharkhand. Subscribe to watch upcoming 200 plus static GK tricks. Friends, follow me on Facebook, share to your friends and be helpful. Thank you. Hi friends, welcome to Call for Trick. Subscribe to watch 300 plus static GK tricks for free. Part 10. Trick to remember airports in Assam. Friends, here important note to all bank aspirants. I repeat, important note to all bank aspirants. Friends, it's near to many bank exams, especially IBPS PO. Friends, so I'm going to share some important information here. If you observe the recent SBI clerk exam, they had increased the level of asking question, especially in static GK. If you observe those papers, they had asked almost each and every question related to static GK, whatever it may be, like desert, caves, rivers, power plants, airports, stadiums, tributaries, and palace, whatever it may be, whatever the video I uploaded. So try to watch each and every video because every video is important. And GK is the only section we can score more and more marks within a less time. So friends, there are many days to go for IBPS PO. So try to watch each and every video that I uploaded. Every video is important. So please try to watch every video. Let us see the trick here. Airport and its new word. Lokpriya Gopinath Airport. I repeat, Lokpriya Gopinath Airport. Friends, recently in SBI they had asked this question, where is Lokpriya Gopinath? It is in Assam. Coming to the second airport, it is Silchar Airport. So totally two airports in Assam. First one is Lokpriya Gopinath Airport. Second one is Silchar Airport. But how to remember this? Let us see the trick here. Friends, try to remember Lokpriya in Lokpriya Gopinath. Try to remember Lokpriya in Lokpriya Gopinath. So second one, Silchar Airport. Friends, if you observe this word Silchar, the first four capital letters SILC. By using these four letters, I made a word silence. I made a word silence. Silence stands for Silchar Airport. Coming to the state Assam, by using the first four letters of Assam, this is ASSA. By using these four letters, I made a word assassination. Assassination means murder. Now we have got total three new words: Lokpriya, silence, and assassination. Now I am going to frame them. Let us see. In Lok Sabha, Priyanka Gandhi maintained silence on the day of Indira Gandhi assassination. I repeat, in Lok Sabha, Priyanka Gandhi maintained 2-minute silence on the day of Indira Gandhi assassination. In Lok Sabha, Priyanka Gandhi maintained silence on the day of Indira Gandhi assassination. Here you can see the image of Priyanka Gandhi and Indira Gandhi. Friends, here try to remember Priyanka Gandhi so that you can remember the two airports which are in Assam. Subscribe to watch 300 plus GK tricks. Share to your friends and be helpful. Thank you.